welcome to Rajita's Raz TV, where you are my celebrity and I bring to you episodes every Thursday that will teach you life lessons which will save you years worth of time, money, and more importantly, inspiration for you to live your life to the fullest. Are you someone who is always ignored in the crowd? And are you being ignored just because of the color of your skin, or just because you're a female, or even just because you don't look that great, or worse enough because you cannot speak the accent? If you are one of those, you know what it means to have your confidence impacted because of ignorance. And if you are one of those, today's episode is for you, because I am going to tell you a story about breaking the glass ceiling. And this is a story about Kamala Harris. This story is about the Vice President-elect Kamala Harris, who has broken the glass ceiling in many ways. And I will tell you the story about her in this episode, and also what challenges she had to face to come to that level. And also, if you stay to the end, I will tell you my story about what glass ceiling I had to break this year. Alright, let's dive in. And to hear more content like this about creating your financial independence, improving your self-worth, maximizing your career experience, click on that subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on these special learnings. And make sure to share this video, because everyone needs to hear and everyone needs to be confident. Okay, welcome back. So on November 7th, 2020, history is made. Also known as the female Obama, first-time Senator Kamala Devi Harris has scripted history by becoming the first woman, Black and Indian American Vice President of the United States. I mean, I'm getting goosebumps just saying this. So it's amazing. I hope you can see the excitement I have to share about this video. The topic is about the recent victory of Vice President-elect Kamala Harris. I am doing this video to re-emphasize to everyone out there thinking low of themselves, that it's not possible, it's not something for them, I cannot do it, thinking they don't have what it takes, I'm just a female, what can I do about it? So these are all the thoughts we have when our confidence is impacted because of any concerns I mentioned earlier. So I want to challenge yourself and to ask and think again, try harder, because it is possible. And I will share with you some challenges that this fine female had to face and still made her way all the way to one of the most difficult positions in the entire world, and probably humanly possible as well. So who is Kamala Harris? She is a 56-year-old born on October 20th, 1964 in Oakland Medical Center in Oakland, California, and she lives in San Francisco and Washington. So Kamala Harris has been elected to the Senate in 2016, and prior to that she was the former Attorney General of California, former San Francisco District Attorney. Now that position itself is very challenging to get to for a female, for a black female. So Kamala Harris already broke the glass ceiling. She shattered the glass ceiling many times, and this is not the first time she's doing it. But she has well situated herself with that Attorney General in California position and elected Senate in 2016. Her sharp debate skills and good-natured personality made her a top-tier contender in the early stages of the primary race. Kamala Harris is of Jamaican and Indian descent, and her father is from Jamaica and mother is from Chennai, India. And she is the first woman of color on a majority party's president ticket. So this is, has never happened in many years that a colored female has been on that presidential ticket. So little more about Kamala Harris. She was raised by a single mother. Kamala Harris's parents divorced when she was about 5 years to 7, and she was raised by her mom with the highest values. And Kamala's mom raised her to be a strong black woman, like she said, like she quoted in one of her tweets. She attended a historically black college, Howard University, and is a prominent member of black sorority, Alpha Kappa Alpha. And she visited India many times, often while growing up. And she often argues that her identity makes her uniquely suited to fight for people who have been traditionally ignored. And this is where she sets her mark. US Senator from California, Kamala Harris has a track record of shattering glass ceilings. She served as San Francisco's first female district attorney and was California's first woman of color to be elected Attorney General. Her background in criminal justice could help tackle some of the issues that are upcoming these days about racial equality and political policying after the country, with all these protests that happened this year. She is expected to be a top advisor on judicial nominations as well. Not to mention, her election to the second highest office in the land of US will break several barriers. She is the first woman in the job. She will be the first black woman, the first Indian American woman, the first daughter of immigrants, and the first female as well. So there you have it. It's the story of Kamala Harris breaking the glass ceiling. And basically, when I say breaking the glass ceiling, it is about having that big dream, big goal, and making sure you are able to go for that dream. Every day work towards it. Do not give up. Don't create self-doubt. Do not give up and keep trying till the end, till you make it. So if she can make it, you can make it. And I would like you to stay strong, invest in yourself, believe in yourself. I know that you can do whatever you have set your mind to. I do want to tell you about this year. I have shattered the glass ceiling myself, punching fear in the face on many critical personal and professional decisions this year. Maybe it's because of COVID, maybe the pandemic has created so much of a sense of urgency to make those decisions, but whatever it is, I have broken the glass ceiling for myself too this year. And for me, one of them I will share with you is about starting my own YouTube channel, which is this, where I have you, my wonderful audience. It was my dream for a long time to share my voice with the world on a platform, and I was very shy to do it. I was very concerned to do it, and this year I went ahead. I destroyed that fear, and here I am. I'm doing all these YouTube videos for you, and I feel very happy doing this because I am doing this with an intention to help you, help my fellow human beings out there who are struggling with similar struggles like I have. And I really don't want them to spend years and thousands of dollars of money to realize these lessons. So I would like to bring all these to you in this platform. So I would like to take a moment to thank every one of my subscribers. Love you all, and all of my viewers and my amazing supporting team who is helping me grow and who is helping me encourage to keep me doing these videos. So I would like to take a moment to thank all of you so much, and keep supporting me, and let me know what other videos you want to watch so I can support you in this way. Now I have 2 questions for you. What is your big dream? Yeah, write that down. And how do you plan to break your glass ceiling? Now don't be shy, come on over, make sure to comment below and share your story. because the more we share, the more we can give inspiration to others. I will also put some links to the books that inspired me on my journey of financial freedom, my journey of self-improvement, self-worth, and I hope that will help you as well. Bye now, take care, love you all.